Alright guys, I'm having this problem inside unsupported 16-bit application. Cannot start run due to incompatibility. 64 bits. What is it talking about? Something about launching a game. Alright, let's redo that. Let's try directly from... Do you have a chance to verify files somehow? Let's try closing to game. Then no, I don't want that. Right, let's try from here. This is so frustrating, man. Okay, so let's do this. Let's go to manage. Let's verify and repair. Let's see. It's showing error message, bro. Why? Should I uninstall and reinstall then? Because it's gonna take forever. Do I have a space? I remember I had no space. Okay, I do have a space. Alright, let's just totally quit Xbox. And now I'm gonna relaunch the Xbox. Keep showing error message. It's quite frustrating. Alright, I'm trying to figure out the problem inside. You can wait a bit and try again later or restart your device. This may help. I click download, it keeps showing me this error message, so I might gonna restart my computer right now. Alright guys, so I managed to fix the issue. So the problem I think is my Xbox folder is probably that causing the problem. So I just changed my drive from D drive to C drive, although I have only 90 gigs on my C drive, but I'm downloading there anyway, and so far I didn't see any kind of error. So I tried basically 4 solutions. One is restart Windows. Second one I'm currently doing, which is updating my Windows, but it's, as you can see, there's error message. I don't know why. I tried updating my NVIDIA driver, but for some reason I couldn't update that either. And the fourth one, I try update BIOS. I tried verify files, doesn't work. So now I just uninstall and reinstall in a different drive. So that's the solution.